Hi guys, welcome back. You know, summer's almost over, but it's still crazy hot. Without air conditioning, this room would easily reach 34 degrees Celsius. How do I know it gets that hot? By using one of these. In today's video, we're gonna learn how these work and how to make our own. A thermometer is a device that is used to measure temperature. They are used in scientific research, medicine, meteorology, technology, and industry. The three most common types of thermometers are digital, infrared, and liquid in glass. The one that we're most familiar with is most likely the liquid in glass thermometer. These thermometers are made up of a few basic parts: a bulb, a graduated scale, a capillary tube, and a liquid. This liquid is usually either mercury or ethanol. Mercury thermometers have a silver color, while ethanol thermometers have a red or blue color. So how do they work? Well, we have to first understand that substances expand or contract depending on the amount of energy applied to them. You see, molecules in a liquid are held together by fairly weak cohesive bonds. This allows the molecules to move around freely. If you add energy by heating up the liquid, the molecules become more energetic and move farther and farther apart. As the molecules move farther apart, the liquid expands. However, if you remove the energy by cooling down the liquid, the molecules will become less energetic and are drawn closer together. A liquid in glass thermometer works on this principle. As the temperature of the atmosphere rises, the liquid is heated up and it expands. When it gets cold, there's less energy in the liquid and it contracts. Got it? Okay, let's do something fun. For this project, you will need a clean bottle, a plastic straw, some water, some rubbing alcohol, modeling clay or a hot glue gun, a marker, an art knife, and some red or blue food coloring. First, take the plastic straw and make markings 1 centimeter apart along the entire length of the straw. Then, take the bottle cap and carefully bore a hole through it. Make sure the hole is just big enough to push the straw through it. You can also use a pencil to make the hole bigger. Just make sure you put the bottle cap back on the bottle before using the pencil. We wouldn't want to stab our hands with the pencil. Push the straw through the bottle cap. Then, screw the bottle cap onto the bottle. Make sure the straw doesn't touch the bottom of the bottle. Next, use modeling clay to hold the straw in place and to prevent air from escaping the bottle. Next, add about 100 cc of water and 100 cc rubbing alcohol. The amount of water you add will actually depend on the size of your bottle. So, you can add more or less depending on the effect you want. Just make sure that you add the same amount of rubbing alcohol to the mixture. After that, add some food coloring and mix it a little. Now let's test it out. Take your thermometer and put it in a container filled with boiling water. Watch what happens. Now let's try the opposite. Take your thermometer and put it in some ice cold water. Can you see what's happening? Cool, right? Now it's your turn to try. As always, if you enjoyed this episode, please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. That's it for now. Catch you later.